Chapter 11. Computer Virus and its Detection. Chapter Focus. Computer Virus. Types of computer viruses. Sources of computer virus. Symptoms of computer virus. Precautions after getting a computer virus. Uses of antivirus. Scanning external devices. Scanning of the computer. Computer viruses are programs that are written deliberately to damage data in a computer. It can spread from one computer to another due to the use of CD-ROMs, email messages, pen drives, etc. History of computer viruses. Computer viruses emerged in 1980s. Rich Skrenta created a virus named Elk Cloner, which was attached to Apple DOS 3.3 operating system in 1982. It was spread by floppy disk. The first virus on personal computer was a boot sector virus called Brain, which was created by two brothers, Amjad Farooq Alvi and Basit Farooq Alvi in 1986. They disclosed that they had written it to protect the piracy of their medical software. Macroviruses have become common viruses since mid-1990s. Most of these viruses have been written in scripting language for Microsoft programs such as MS Word and MS Excel. Most common viruses spread through Internet, instant messaging or Internet chat software nowadays. Do you know? The full form of virus is Vital Information Resources Under Siege. Computer virus. Computer virus is a program that is created intentionally to corrupt or delete data stored in a computer by erasing information available on its hard disk. Once a virus becomes active, it starts getting loaded and saved in the computer memory. It travels to the hard disk and system files and makes them corrupt. System sectors or boot records. Viruses can damage the parts of the system and infect the programs and functions such as startup and shutdown. Files. The program files can be infected by viruses. These viruses stick to program files such as .com, .exe, .sys, etc. Some viruses attack a particular software program such as Microsoft Word, while others infect the memory files, data, and programs. Companion files. Viruses can produce companion files that are specific types of files that add files that run on the hard disk. Macros. Viruses can make corrupt macro or data files. Disk clusters. Viruses can infect files through the disk directory. Batch files. Batch files can be used by viruses to infect a computer. Source code. Viruses may exist in additional code that is added to actual program source code. Types of computer viruses. There are many types of viruses and different people may describe them in different ways. Let's know about some of the specific categories of viruses. Polymorphic viruses. Polymorphic viruses alter characteristics when they infect a computer. These viruses are very difficult to detect by scanning because each copy of the virus takes various characters and forms the other copies very fast. The goal of this virus is evasion. Fast and slow infectors. A fast infector is a virus that, when it is active in memory, infects not only programs that are executed, but even those that are merely open. The term slow infector refers to that virus which infects files as they are modified or created. Armored viruses. These viruses are programmed to make eradication hard. Special tricks are used by these viruses to foil antivirus researchers. Multipartite viruses. A multipartite virus infects computer systems multiple times and at different times. In order to eradicate the virus, the entire virus must be removed from the system. Cavity or space filler viruses. A cavity virus is one which overwrites a part of most of the files without increasing the length of the file. A cavity virus attempts to install itself inside the file it is infecting. Tunneling viruses. A tunneling virus is a virus that attempts to intercept antivirus software before it can detect malicious code. Stealth or camouflage viruses. Stealth or camouflage viruses attempt to appear as a benign program. These viruses have special protective mechanisms to escape detection by virus scanning programs. Metamorphic viruses. These viruses rewrite themselves completely each time they infect. Virus droppers. These viruses represent a special category of programs that place viruses on computers but are not by themselves an actual virus. Sources of computer virus. Most of the virus programs are designed to confuse and irritate the operators, but other viruses can prove to be very harmful to a computer system. They can modify or corrupt files, delete data, steal passwords, etc. They start injecting program files in word processors, spreadsheet packages, etc. Some of the routes through which a virus can attack a computer system are: from floppy disks. Be very careful about putting a floppy disk that has been in another computer in your computer, even if it is from a trusted source. From the Internet. Viruses can be attached to different types of Internet files such as graphics and program files that people download from the Internet. From email. Viruses often travel via email attachments. Email messages by themselves do not carry viruses. Only .exe, .com or other types of executable files can carry a virus. From a computer network. Computer networks are groups of computers linked together by a large computer called a server. The server and these computers constantly share information. If one file that is used by several network users becomes infected with a virus, the virus will swiftly spread to the other. Symptoms of a computer virus. The possible indications that a computer has been infected by a virus are the following. You are unable to access the hard drive when booting from the floppy drive. The computer's hard drive constantly runs out of free space. Strange graphics are shown on your computer monitor. The floppy disk drive or hard drive runs when you are not using it. Programs act erratically. Program sizes keep altering. Computer programs take longer time to load than normal. Conventional memory is less than it used to be and you can't explain it. Strange sounds or beeping noises come from the computer or keyboard. Files have strange names you don't identify. Precautions after getting a computer virus. School. When you are on a school computer, inform your computer teacher to submit a request to computer support immediately. Home. In case you do not have an antivirus program, get one immediately. Install the latest virus updates available for your antivirus software and run the antivirus software. After getting rid of a virus, run your antivirus software again to make sure that the virus has been eradicated. Search for a website that consists of descriptions of viruses. If you get an email virus, contact everyone in your address book and tell them to be on the lookout for suspicious emails and attachments. Uses of antivirus. An antivirus software is used for detecting, repairing and removing virus-infected files from a computer. You should also make sure that antivirus stays up to date. To save your computer against computer viruses, worms and trojans, you should invest in antivirus software. A list of some prominent antivirus software are given hereafter. Norton, Avast Premium Security, Panda Cloud Antivirus, F-Secure Antivirus, eTrust Easy Armor Smooth, McAfee, Quick Heal, AVG Professional. You should install an antivirus software package to scan viruses on your computer system. Scanning of the computer. Let us follow the given steps to scan a computer system using an antivirus software. Step 1. Open the antivirus window. Step 2. Click on the Scan option. Step 3. Click on the Full System Scan option to scan all the drives of the computer. After the completion, a message confirming the protection of computer appears. It tells you that your computer is safe. Step 4. Click on the Close button to finish the task. Do you know? You must update your antivirus software on timely basis to fight against any new viruses that may appear quite often. Scanning external devices. When you attach an external device such as CD-ROM or pen drive to your computer system, the antivirus software asks you to confirm scanning. As you click on the Full System Scan option, scanning begins. A message is displayed upon the detection of any views. Antivirus deletes it after taking permission from you. Updating antivirus software. To delete new viruses, you need to update antivirus software regularly. First, connect the computer system to the internet before you start updation process. Steps to update your antivirus software are given below. Step 1. From the system tray, double-click on the Kaspersky Internet Security. Step 2. To start the update process, click the Update option. Close the Kaspersky window when the update process completes. Safe computing practices. There are various safe computing practices that can help you in protecting your computer against viruses. Antivirus software. In case you don't have an antivirus software program, invest in one. Scan your computer on a regular basis. Scan your system with antivirus software periodically. Update your antivirus software on a regular basis. Keep your antivirus software up to date regularly in order to save your system from any kind of virus. Keep backup. Backup your files on a regular basis. Always maintain copies of your essential files. Turn off email preview. Turn off the preview function if your email software has one. Scan floppy disk. Before you use the disk, scan floppy disk from other computers with antivirus software. Protect your floppy disk. Write protect any floppy disk you place into another computer. If the other computer has a boot sector virus, the write protect on the disk will save it from becoming infected with the virus. Scan downloaded files. Before you use or run internet files, scan downloaded files with antivirus software. Scan all email attachments. If you get an attachment you require to view, scan it with antivirus software before you open it. Beware of email attachments from unknown sources. If you receive an unexpected attachment from an unknown source, remove it. Never open attachments for files that end in .vbs, Visual Basic Script, or .js, JavaScript. Viruses often travel in these types of files. Be alert. Pay attention to news about virus alerts. You might intend to subscribe a virus alert email notice from one of the antivirus software makers. Points to remember. Computer viruses are programs that are written deliberately to damage data in a computer. The program files can be infected by viruses. A multipartite computer virus infects computer system multiple times. Computer networks are groups of computers linked together by a large computer called a server. An antivirus software is used for selecting, repairing and removing virus-infected files from a computer. A. Tick the correct option.